Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, this is Preetha and you're watching Dakshin curry. Onam is nearing and you will notice that on a Onam Sadhya menu, a Payasam or a Pradhaman is very important. Today we'll be learning how to make Palada Payasam. Stay tuned. So the first step is going to be cooking of the ada. So I have a kadhai here. I'm going to caramelize some sugar with water. So first I'll add some water. So I'm going to add a few pinches of sugar. Just mix this once. And now in this I'm going to add the ada. Now I am using dehydrated ada. What I have done is I have taken this and I have basically soaked it in water for say half an hour in hot water. Then drained off the excess water and we'll be using that. And I'll reduce the flame and we're just going to mix it all up for 30 seconds. And while doing so, I'm going to add few drops of ghee to this. So let's mix this till the color changes a bit. So now this mixture has dried up a bit. Now I'm using full fat milk. Ensure that you use full fat milk. So once we have added this, we'll mix this up nicely. And we are going to cook this on a medium flame till the milk condenses or is reduced. Ensure that you keep stirring once in a while. Now as you can see, milk has condensed quite a bit. I'm just going to scrape off the edges like this and add sugar. I'm adding around 1 cup of sugar in this. I'm going to mix this and again we are going to cook this now on a medium flame till it reduces well. So this has reduced considerably. What I'm going to do is add ghee to this, cardamom powder. We're going to switch off the flame now. And that's all there is to making palada. I want you to try this recipe, and if you have liked watching this video, then you need to like, share and subscribe to India Food Network.